Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today we're going to be creating the train.py file for our Jarvis AI. So I'm sorry I was not able to upload for a long time. It's because I was facing a few difficulties with my machine, my laptop, which was not working as intended. Once what was happening was I was pressing a few buttons on my keyboard and then something else was happening. Suppose I pressed T, uh, U was being pressed. I did not know what was happening. So right now it's fine. So we'll be creating it now. So from typing import classifier, import numpy as np, import torch, import torch dot nn as nn from whoa, what is that? From torch dot utils is data, import data set and data loader. Keep in mind the D should be capital and L should be capital. Now from neural network import bag of words, tokenize and stem. Now from brain import neural net. Okay, so those are all the modules, and now I'm creating the code, the main code with open. So now we're going to be looking at the intents file. So like there are tags inside this, tags, patterns, responses. So we're going to look at the tags and then look at the words inside of them. So inside tag, this is greetings. This is going to be greeting tag. This is going to be buy tag, health tag, identity tag, my identity, all that. So open intents.json as f intents is equal to json is json dot load f all words. Oh, what are words? Yeah, tags, not yags. Tags to again box xy is equal to. So if you have done deep learning and machine learning courses, you will be able to understand them. If you're not able to understand, I'm once again telling you, please learn machine learning and deep learning first, or else you will not be able to understand. For intents, sorry, intent in intents tag is equal to intent tags tags dot append tag. Oh, tag, yes. So we're just going to be appending them. That's easy enough. For pattern in intent patterns, w is equal to tokenize pattern, all words dot extend w, xy dot append w comma tag. Okay, ignore words. So what this is gonna do is gonna be ignoring all the things. Like suppose we want to ignore the commas, the question marks, the apostrophes, the full stop, whatever, uh, whatever there are. You want to ignore a few things. You can ignore them, or you can keep it as you want. It might cause some errors, but I recommend ignoring them. Words is equal, not words. Yeah, words is equal to inside the list. We're gonna be adding a comma, question mark, no, question mark, a full stop, exclamation mark, is a slash. Okay, these all things are gonna be ignored. We're gonna be ignoring them. So all words is equal to stem, and then inside the brackets w, for w in all words. Okay, if w not in ignore words, all words is equal to sorted set tags. Okay, so now train x is gonna be x train and y train. We're gonna leave these empty. For actually, for today, let's leave it till here. It might be a lot for today's video. So basically, we have created the first part. There are gonna be a few parts to this work, to this file, because it's really long and it's quite tedious to make. So I hope you like this video and you found it interesting. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day.